Hey guys, I'm Nandini and today we're starting with the chapter Knowing with our Numbers, Class 6, Chapter 1. So our question is to find the greatest and the smallest number from the following series. So when you're given a series of numbers and we have to find the greatest and the smallest, our very first step is to count the number of digits in each number. So we start counting the number of digits. The number of digits is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our first step is to count number of digits. Our second step is to see the leftmost digit of each number. Okay? Leftmost digit of each number. In the cases where the leftmost digits are different, we can directly compare them and find the greatest and the smallest. But in this case, all the leftmost digits are the same, that is 4. So what we do is, we move on to the next digit. When we move on to the next digit, the next digits are 4, 3, 8 and 5. So which number is greatest from 4, 3, 8 and 5? 8 is the greatest among 4, 3, 8 and 5. So this number becomes the greatest of the series, and 3, 4 and 5. These digits are left. So which one is the smallest of 4, 3 and 5? 3 is the smallest. So this number becomes the smallest of the series. So basically second step is to see digits from left side. Okay, count the number of digits and see digits on the left side. Now let's do this question. We have 1, 5, 6, 2, 3, 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since all of these are 5 digits, we see the leftmost digits of the number, the extreme left digits of the number. It's 1, 1, 1, 1 and all 4 digits, for all 4 numbers. So we move on to the next digit. When we see the next digit, it's 5, 5, 5 and 5 in all the cases. Since in all numbers, first 2 digits are the same, what we do is we move on to the third digit from the left hand side. So third digit is 6, 0, 1 and 8. From 6, 0, 1 and 8, which number is the greatest? 6, 0, 1 and 8. 8 is the greatest. So this number becomes the greatest from the series. From 1, 0 and 6. Which is the smallest? This 0 is smallest. So this becomes the smallest of the series. Now we move on to the next series. Step number 1, to count the number of digits. So we count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since number of digits are same, we see the leftmost digit. 2. 2 is the leftmost number in all the digits, followed by 5. 2, second digit from the left hand side is 5 in all the cases. What we do is we move on to the third digit. That is 2, 2, 2 and 2 in all the cases. Since it's 2 in all the cases, what do we do now? We move on to the fourth digit from the left hand side. We move on to the fourth digit, that is 8, 4, 7 and 1. So which one is the smallest from 8, 4, 7 and 1? 1 is the smallest. So this becomes the smallest number. And which one is the greatest from 7? From 7, 4 and 8. Which one is the smallest? Or which one is the greatest? 8 is the greatest, so this becomes the greatest digit. Now first step, count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here is the difference. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 in this case and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in all 3 cases. Since this is a 4-digit number and all 3 are 5-digit numbers, so what we see is this digit is the smallest. Okay, so the number which has least number of digits, suppose the number has 1 digit, it's a 1-digit number, and suppose the other number is a 5-digit number. So we don't need to see the leftmost digit. What we directly declare is that the number which has least number of digits is the smallest and the number which has greatest number of digits is the greatest. Now this becomes the smallest. Now let's come to the greatest number. The leftmost digit, step number 2. We see the leftmost digit, it's 2 in all the cases. So we move on to the second digit from the left hand side, that is 3, 4 and 4. Since 4, 4, 3, 3 is smaller than 4 and 4, we do not see this option. This option is eliminated. This option we do not see for the greatest digit. Because 3 is anyway smaller than 4 and 4. So 3 will not be the greatest. We move on to the next digit. From 5 and 6, which number is greatest? What number do you think is greater?